Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is awake and unlocked. Charge above 20% so updates don't interrupt. Open settings immediately and stay on the main list. Once done, connect to the network you normally use so data restrictions apply correctly. Tap Apps next. We will work app by app. Make sure you can identify apps that sync in background. Email, social, and cloud apps are usual suspects. This first step gets you into the right menus without wasting time. You now move through Apps Manage Apps and pick an app you want to control. Tap into App Info, then Data Usage. Here toggle background data off or use background restriction to block background activity. Once done, check battery settings inside that app and enable Restrict Background Activity if available. Repeat for email, social, and cloud apps. This granular control prevents specific apps from using mobile or Wi-Fi in the background while leaving others untouched, so you keep necessary syncs active. Finally, apply system-wide controls. Enable Data Saver in network and internet so non-essential apps stop background transfers. Open the Security or Phone Manager app and review data usage to spot any remaining high-usage apps, block or restrict them. Once finished, restart the phone to ensure settings take effect and observe data graphs for a day to verify changes. If an app still syncs, make sure it has no special background permission. Revoke auto start or uninstall updates, then reapply restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.